What up, doe sneaker family? It is your girl 313 Retro Queen. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I am in a festive mood. It is the holiday season. There's time to be thankful and grateful and give and just be happy. Like, I'm excited. I don't know, don't get me to it. I love the holiday season. That is actually something new for me, but you know what we're here to do. We are here to see what I have picked up to add to the collection over here. 313 squad, my people. I'm telling y'all, this Air Max 90 is amazing and perfect holiday sneaker. So here we are. We'll start with the box. It comes in its regular orange Nike box like a traditional Air Max would. I did see this weird freaky sticker though, so it's kind of like it's yellow instead of white. But if you look on there you see my size 6, and you have the Nike Air Max 90 SE Christmas sweater, is what they're calling this one. So you can see on there it's white university red, and you got your UPC code and your QR code on there also, and the retail suggested price is $110. And I actually was able to get 20% off of these for having a coupon that Nike sent to my email. So go me. Here we go, showing it off right there. So y'all see that? It's like a little Christmas sweater for my feet. But before we get off into the review, y'all go ahead, do your girl a favor and subscribe to the channel if you are not. If you are, welcome back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like the video and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about my newest addition to my sneaker collection. So again, like I said, this is just me showing off what I am adding to my collection to you all. So you can either decide if, hey, that's something I think I want to pick up, or nah, that's not really for me. So we are going to jump off into the review of this sneaker and look at it. I'll show you guys, show it to you again, because I just love it. It's so cute. Now this sneaker I did get early. A friend of mine, Polos and J's, shout out to Marcus, shot me a text and was like, hey sis, these shoes are on the Nike website. Now this sneaker was supposed to drop on the sneakers app, but I was able to purchase it from the Nike app, which those are two different apps now if you didn't know. And when I went back the next day to check for it, it was gone. So I don't know if it dropped by accident on the site a little bit early. They meant to do it and see who would catch it or what have you, but it was only available in grade school and toddlers on the Nike app. So when I went to check the sneakers app, it was still showing that they were going to drop on the sneakers app, but not until December 8th, which was a few days ago, and they actually did drop and they sold out on the sneakers app. So all of the bigger sizes are gone, but you can still get this sneaker as of today on the Nike's app, and big kids and toddlers as well. So what we'll do is we'll go over the sneaker, and what I want to show you is this base here of the sneaker we have here in the toe box area and around the upper collar here. This sweater material, if you look at it, those are the traditional Christmas flower poinsettias. That's what that looks like, but it's like in a little sweater print, like something you would wear, and it is a fabric material on that toe box and around that ankle collar there. And then we have a white, as you can see, we have the white overlay here, and that goes all around the sneaker, that white overlay. We have what looks like a little glue on my swoosh, but of course we have, you can see this university red swoosh, and that is on both sides. And we also have, now if you look at the mudguard, it looks like it's a very dark green, but it is in fact called a dark atomic teal is what Nike is calling the mudguard here. this area here. So that's interesting because my eyes see green, but they say dark atomic teal. So, so if we're moving right along here, we have the lower eye stay and the logo box here, the little logo window. These are in a lucky green colorway. So that's what they're calling that. I don't know if you are into Jordans, but they also had earlier last month a lucky green Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive drop. So it looks like Nike is doing their thing with this new lucky green color, which I absolutely adore as well. So if we're moving along here to the upper eyelets, those are in that dark atomic teal, and you know, they have them, it's in pairs, so they're on both sides are identical. So we have that up there as well. And then if we move it on along, we can see we have the laces. And these are white laces. They only came with one set of laces. The aglets on the laces are that lucky green color there. So we do have that. And if you look really closely, there's a double stitching in this rope lace here. So that's something that's a little unique there. We don't normally get the double stitching on the laces, on the rope laces, but I did notice that part as well. And if you look at the tongue, it does have that sweater poinsettia material, design in that fabric material on the tongue. And with these with the recrafts, our tongues are a little lower. So I'm going to try and pull this up for you guys, but there's the tongue there. You got the tongue tag in white with the Nike swoosh and Air Max written on it in that university red. Then if we're going to come around to the back of the shoe, you see that we got that nice lucky green heel tab there, and we have Nike Air and the swoosh in white. So yeah, I mean, like they're doing it with this theme. Like this is I love this theme of this shoe. It's really, really awesome to me. I think it's amazing. But like I said, I like theme sneakers. Some people seem to think it's childish, but I like to still be able to access my inner child, I guess. So if you check it out here, we have the white midsole on here. We have the midsole wedge is red, and so is, you have the clear bubble here for the air unit. And if you look in there, you can see that the air unit itself is red. One thing I want to mention before I get to the outsole is the sock liner is a faux fur, kind of like house shoes in there. So it's super soft. It's not like flaking off or like peeling off or anything. And if you look on the, and it's like I want to say it's not actually a pure white. It's a little off. But if you look on the insole in there, there is a Nike snow globe. See that in there? There you go. And last but not least, if we look around to the bottom of the shoe, we have that wedge sole in there, and it is in that lucky green and university red color as well. So overall, it's a theme sneaker. So I'm thinking this one for themes, as far as themes go, I think they really knocked this one out of the park. I don't really feel like it's a child issue. I really like it. I think to get into the festivities of the holiday, I think this is a great sneaker to show, you know, your enthusiasm towards the holidays. So here's the other sneaker. I'll show you both sneakers so you can see the pair of them together. There you go. See that? See that? I'm sorry, my fingers are in the way, but that's my review of these. I'm gonna give you guys an on foot of these, but before we get to that, could you guys please let me know what you think about these sneakers? Did you pick these up? Have you even seen these? Did you know these had released or whatever? And do you like them? Because I absolutely love them, and I'm gonna show you guys on feet.